If you're traveling for a wedding or a formal event, you're probably going to need to pack a nice button-up shirt. But the last thing you want are those hideous creases cramping your style. So avoid them with today's tip. Fold dress shirts using the Jacky Tam method. And this is how you do it. Step 1 is lay out a shirt with the front facing up. Step 2 is button up the shirt all the way to the top. Step 3 is flip the shirt over and take one sleeve and fold it across the back. So it lines up with this edge, and then fold it up and back down on itself, lining up directly in the center of the shirt. For step 5, we are going to do the same thing with the other side, folding this sleeve across the back, lining up with this edge, then back up and down on itself, overlapping the first sleeve and again being directly in the center of the shirt. For step 6, we're going to take one side of the shirt and fold it in so that the fold lines up with the edge of the collar at the top, forming a nice straight line. Now for step 7, we're going to fold the other side, overlapping the first one, lining it up with this edge of the collar right here. And by now, the shirt should form a nice rectangle. Now for step 8, we're going to fold the bottom of the shirt up about a third the length of the shirt. And for step 9, we're going to fold it again so that the top of the fold lines up with the top of the shirt or the collar. And voila. Folding it this way will reduce wrinkles and help you look your best while traveling. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next Tuesday. Happy trails.